Stuck between my fantasy and what is real. I need it when I want it then I tell myself I'll stop every day, knowing that I won't. I gotta prove that I don't do. Even if I did, I don't know if I would quit, but I doubt it. I take another thought of me, and I know this much is true. Baby, you have become my addiction. I'm so strung out on you, I can barely